Hello, it's me again with my S1000RR 2018. So this is how it looks like after titanium exhaust installation. These are the titanium headers over there. Everything nice and clean. This is like much smaller, I think. Not much, but a little smaller, I guess. The bottom side of it. This is where the rounders are now. And so, yeah, it fits without that adapter in here, as you can see. So this diameter is larger, much larger than the stock exhaust, so you cannot fit a stock end can into this exhaust. So you need to use either the one from, like, again, the BMW HP parts, or with GP exhaust. Apparently it does fit exactly right without any adapters, because before with adapter there was a big leap down and then thinner pipe going into that main can. So the bike is lighter now. I need to reprogram it right now to support this exhaust. So there is an option from BMW which you need to buy, and it will reflash the ECU, so it will support the new exhaust. So it will be different mapping, and again it won't complain about absence of a front servo motor. Okay, so let me flush the bike, reset the adaptations, and adjust the CO2 mixture and the rest, and we'll be ready to go into a new season. At some point I would really like to have those HP wheels, or maybe Marchesini wheels, or OZ wheels, just cast aluminum wheels installed. High performance wheels, lighter than these ones, and that will be close to ideal. And maybe footrest, however, with this seat, which it was specifically for me to adjust, like to make a distance between the pegs and the seat a bit higher, and changing the seating position as well. So reach the ground quite fine, yeah. So we shall see, maybe this pegs will be fine. Anyway, that's this is how it looks like now. Definitely looks nicer than before, and definitely much lighter. So thanks a lot, and have a nice day.